Who is regarded as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee and is widely considered the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. How many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Constitution of India? Correct answer is 6. Originally, there were 7 fundamental rights, but the right to property was removed by the 44th Amendment Act of 1978, leaving 6 rights. Which article of the Constitution provides for the abolition of untouchability? Correct answer is Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. It is a unique provision in the Constitution. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Correct answer is Part 4. Directive principles are enriched in Part 4 and they aim to establish social and economic democracy. What is the minimum age for becoming the President of India? Correct answer is 35 years. As per Article 58, a person must be at least 35 years old to be eligible for the presidency. The President of India is elected by. Correct answer is Electoral College. The Electoral College includes elected MPs and elected MLAs of states and union territories. The term of the Lok Sabha is. Correct answer is 5 years. Lok Sabha has a tenure of 5 years unless dissolved earlier. This can be extended during a national emergency. How many members can the President nominate to the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is 12. The President can nominate 12 members having special knowledge in literature, science, arts, and social service. Which constitutional amendment is known as the mini constitution? Correct answer is 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 made extensive changes to the Constitution during the emergency period and is called the mini constitution. The concept of fundamental duties is borrowed from which country? Correct answer is USSR. Fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Amendment inspired by the Constitution of the former USSR. Which article of the Constitution deals with the emergency provisions? Correct answer is Article 352. Article 352 allows the declaration of a national emergency due to war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Who is the constitutional head of Indian state? Correct answer is President. The President is the constitutional head, while real executive powers lies with the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The governor of a state is appointed by. Correct answer is President. The President appoints the governor for each state under Article 155. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha as provided by the Constitution? Correct answer is 552. The Lok Sabha can have a maximum of 552 members, 530 from states, 20 from union territories, and 2 nominated Anglo-Indians. Which body decides the disqualification of MPs under the anti-defection law? Correct answer is Speaker or Chairman. The presiding officer of the respective House of decides disqualification under the 10th schedule. Which schedule of the Constitution contains the anti-defection law? Correct answer is 10th schedule. The anti-defection law was added by the 52nd Amendment Act 1985 in the 10th schedule. The writ of habeas corpus is issued for. Correct answer is unlawful detention. Habeas corpus literally means to have the body and is used to secure a person's release from illegal detention. Who is the first citizen of India? Correct answer is President. The President, being the constitutional head, is considered the first citizen of India. How many types of emergencies are provided in the Constitution? Correct answer is 3. The Constitution provided for 3 types of emergencies: national, state, and financial. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Correct answer is Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice of India administers the oath to the President under Article 60. The Supreme Court of India was established in the year. Correct answer is 1950. The Supreme Court came into existence on 28 January 1950, replacing the Federal Court of India. Which article empowers the Supreme Court to enforce fundamental rights? Correct answer is Article 32. Article 32 is called the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It allows people to directly approach the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. Which amendment made right to education a fundamental right? Correct answer is 86th Amendment. The 86th Amendment Act 2002 inserted Article 21A, making education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. The Constitution of India came into force on. Correct answer is 26 January 1950. Though adopted on 26 November 1949, the Constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950 to commemorate the Declaration of Purna Swaraj in 1930. The preamble declares the India to be a. Correct answer is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. These terms were added and updated in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.